Alright, hello guys. This is for eBay auction of 2013 Top Strata one box break. Number 2, our second from this case, so we got some more left. Here's the serial number. In the box, this is in your listing. There we go. 027207007. Okay, so verify with that in your listing. Make sure you're in the right break. Your eBay names along with the teams that you've got are below in the description. Thank you everybody for buying in, and good luck. Also remember, everything ships. So let's get working. Check us out at elitecardbreaks.medo.com. Sending, by the way. All right. First pack. Andy Dalton, Eric Decker, Ed Reed, Mike Wallace, Landry Jones, and Tavon Austin. Sorry for that. There we go. Finally, camera's back. Percy Harvin. We have a Mike Gillisley. Auto patch or jersey. That is not numbered. And Robert Woods. J.J. Watt, Adrian Peterson, Demarius Moore, Colin Kaepernick, Ryan Nassib rookie, and Zach Ertz rookie. Danny Amendola, David Wilson, Clay Matthews, Demarius Thomas, Kenny Stills, and Tyler Wilson. CJ Spiller, Matt Forte, Darren Sproles, Troy Polamalu, Robert Woods, and Geno Smith rookie. There you go. Rookies are getting a little bit of money, especially Geno Smith. Strata's a good product right now. Even now. Pierre Garçon, Randall Cobb, Jason Witten, Joseph Randall rookie orange, Matt Barkley, and D. Milner. Torrey Smith, Patrick Peterson, Justin Blackmon, James Laurinaitis, E.J. Manuel rookie, and Jordan Reed. Earl Thomas, Chris Johnson, Jamal Charles, Maurice Jones-Drew, Aaron Dobson, and Eric Reed rookie. Darren McFadden, Marshawn Lynch, Alfred Morris, Ray Graham rookie, die cut. Eddie Lacy rookie, Terrence Williams rookie. AJ Green, Steve Smith, Julio Jones, Reggie Bush, Jonathan Franklin, and Jarvis Jones. Josh Freeman, Matt Schaub, Matthew Stafford, DeMarco Murray, DJ Hayden, and Kobe Hamilton. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Cam Newton, Stevens Jackson, Doug Martin Orange, Keenan Allen rookie, and Justin Hunter rookie. Vernon Davis, Antonio Gates, Alex Smith, LaShawn McCoy, orange, Denard Robinson rookie, and Ixel rookie. Can never say his name. Attempted many times. Remember, everything ships, guys. Big hits in here. Start from the back. Mingo rookie, Levon Bell rookie, Anquan Bolden, and Victor Cruz. Another hit. Nice. Joseph Randall, the Cowboys. Joseph Randall, 104 out of 213. Nice jersey. And Victor Cruz with that. So looking for that autograph. Von Miller, Trent Richardson, Carson Palmer. Autograph of Jonathan Dwyer, 12 of 99. Christian Michael and Kenyon Barner. Johnny Graham, Jimmy Graham, geez. Ben Roethlisberger, Russell Wilson, Phillip Rivers, Maurice Goodwin, and Andre Ellington. 2 more packs. Eli Manning, Jay Cutler, Roddy White, Arian Foster, Stephen Taylor, Marcus Wheaton. Last pack, guys. Rob Gronkowski, LaShawn McCoy, Phillip Rivers, Doug Martin, Deion Jordan rookie, and Mike Billsley rookie. Alright, guys, that rounds it up. Please feel free to check out Elite Card Breaks. EliteCardBreaks.medo.com. So check it out. We'll get everything shipped out here within a day or so. So thank you and see ya.